talk about the music class. Were you just speaking Indian? Source, where's your busy? I'm not sure. I found this really cool rice recipe on Pinterest yesterday, and I thought of you. Hey, why are you drawing on her hand? You're gonna get ink poisoning or something.
Hey, I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but are you guys related because you're like all brown?
Where are you from?
Mountain.
No, I mean like, where are you from? Where are you from?
Sarah, do you want rice?
No, that's okay. I think I'll just have some pizza.
सारा क्या पिज्जा पिज्जा कहती है कि बेटे चावल खाओ तुम ज़्यादा ही कुछ वेस्टर्नाइज होती है
सारा बैठो के बेटा पार्टी में बहुत सेटिंग आप ऑन हो रही क्या हर कोई जो है बस कोई मेरी मदद कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे और भी क्या काम है
Hey, Samar, I found this really nice guy for you. He's Arab and he's rich.
But I really don't want to get married.
We're getting married next week.